Welcome to Rajesh Technologies. Now I am going to explain you how to place a label. That means we are going to use the relative layout and how the relative layout will work. So let us go and see. First we are going to put the label in the window. So my object name is lab equals to tkinter is the module name dot label is the predefined class here. Label is the predefined class. This label must be displayed in the window object. So W is my object name. So first you have to pass the first argument is W. That means this label will be displayed in the window. And text. Text equals to whatever text you want to display under the label, you will provide that particular text in the label. So I am going to display hello, welcome, Rajesh Technologies. Like this, I want to display in the label. So next thing here is, so here this label first object must be W because I want to display the label in the within the window, and the second attribute is the text. Under the text I provided welcome to Rajesh Technologies. And next, using the object of label, what is the object of label here? lab. lab dot place is the predefined function to provide the layout. In the place, I am going to provide x-axis equals to 50, comma y-axis equals to 100. Then where is the label? Let us see. Whenever I right click and run the program, we have this particular window. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Y-axis is 100 and x-axis 50. For example, let me change the x-axis also 100. Then what happened? Right click and run. What happened is, so x-axis also moved, y-axis also moved. For example, x-axis I will provide something like 750 or 850. It will come here in the same line of y-axis. See here. So x-axis 100. Sorry, y-axis is 100. And x-axis I will provide 600. Let me see what happened. Now right click and run the uh, application. Then you will see this particular label was displayed at 600. That means x-axis 600 and y-axis 100. For example, y-axis 200, it will be moved little bit down. It will be moved downward. Y-axis will move downward and x-axis will move forward. For example, I will put 300. Next, let me see what happened if you run this. Like this, we will place a particular control anywhere in the application. I will take 50 50. 50 is the x-axis and y-axis also 50, and save all and execute the program. Now you will see this particular label was appeared here. So I want to change the text size of this particular text. It is uneditable. I already tell that label provides a text which is uneditable. So now, so I want some more attributes here. I want to provide the font. Font is an attribute equals to the font attribute. I will provide the font name, font size, font style, etc. So font name, I will go and takes the Times New Roman, and the size of text is 26. For example, 26 is the size. Okay, so you must put comma here because we need to separate here, no? So text attribute consisting of hello, welcome to Rajesh Technologies is the text, followed by comma, and another attribute is the font. Font is a variable which going to takes a tuple. A tuple is a tuple. A tuple is consisting of the font related values, that is font name, font size, font style these all things. For example, you can also put bold, italic like this after 26. So let me check what happens if I run the program. You will see the font is Times New Roman and the size is 26. Okay, this is how we are going to display the label. Similarly, you can also apply the colors also, like after font you will provide the foreground color. The foreground color means text color. FG represents foreground. It is an attribute for foreground. You will give the white color, for example, white color and background. So background you can BG. Sorry, here we must put comma here. Background you will put a black color background, and white color letters will be displayed in this label. So right click and run. If you see this, the background of the label is black color and the text will be white color. So like this, okay, you can have any number of attributes we will provide like this. So label, and label will be placed according to the user requirement. So this is the first program, how to display hello world.